choices, not circumstances, control outcomes. You know, it's easy for anyone to blame or explain away why we're not getting good results. In public schools, we can blame the student population. We can have all kinds of excuses. If we have excuses, there's no reason for us to change. But we can change our choices and improve results. So we want to get past the blame game. We've got to own it. Belief number 2 is we should make every decision as close as possible to the point of implementation. We also know that's based on the competence and skills of those individuals, which means if you have folks who are unable and unwilling to make decisions, then the leader is placed in a position to make that decision for them. Unfortunately, with that, if we keep doing that, they're always going to stay dependent upon the leader. So we need to find a way to grow people. And part of that is realizing that we want to help them make choices. If we make choices for them, then we own the problem. Well, I did what you said, it didn't work. What to do next? So we want to take away the excuse. So our goal is to get people to own the problem. We're there to support, but we want them to own the problem. So as we move to higher levels, for example, what happens when a person makes a decision that's a poor quality decision? One that is not consistent with belief number 1. What should we do? We think we ought to help that person see why we think that's a poor quality decision. So the leader's obligation is to help that person see that that is not an acceptable, not an adequate decision, and place the responsibility back on that individual who made a poor quality decision. But our goal is to help them modify or reverse the decision in such a way that their integrity is enhanced rather than diminished. We could overturn the decision, but if so, we own the problem, and we have not helped that person grow based on that issue. So we have several different strategies within belief number 2. I've only talked about 1 or 2 of those. 1, decision most appropriate level. But what happens when they make a poor quality decision? Then obviously the leader has to intercede and find a way to move that back toward a quality decision. And at the very top end of this, we can delegate to people because they're willing and able to make great decisions. We want to reinforce that and be their ambassador.